one on video. How fast I can get one. Right under the motor. There's a gag. Oh yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. That's a beast. Get him up. Get him up. Get him up. Get him up. That's a tank. That's a tank. Everybody, you got everybody's attention now. Luke's got a monster. Courtney, you see this? So there's your 30. There's your 30. Good job, dude. We're 15 foot of water and Luke just hooks a 28 incher. Oh, there we go. These things are strong. Big boy. This grouper put a whooping on you. That's another good one. Oh, there you're on the rock the whole time. There we go. Oh, that's a big one, dude. Oh, he just broke me off. Oh, she just got broke off too.
Are you serious?
The moment of waiting. I'd love to get a hit on video. One actually goes. You don't know if you're doing it right till it works. Get him up.
Go forward.
Big gag. That's a beast. That's a huge fish, Courtney. That's a big fish, dude. Get the net ready for her.
I'm trying to hold it.
Here, I'll hold this.
You got it?
There's the net for her.
Good job, man.
Aren't you glad we trolled now? That's a big gag.
Under the boat. Oh. Oh, yeah.
Good fish.
Good fish, baby. Reel it towards me.
I was gonna say, don't get the hooks caught.
That's a keeper. Good job, babe. Alright, is that a grouper fawn?
My wrist was cutting out.
That's a keeper.
And it's on the green one.
Yeah. Not bad.
Take a picture of that so you have proof of which one you caught him on.
You want to
Yep. Beast 26-inch gag. There's a gag. Oh yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy.
get the net.
Yeah, buddy.
Gag.
Yep. First drop. Or second drop. I was looking at you.
Short, but.
I got it.
Oh. Yeah, they're here, dude.
That was a good fight.
They're here.
Not bad for the first grouper. Is it?
Oh,
And 15 foot of water, it's like it's against the bottom, you're fighting. And the cool thing about them in shallow water is they run back and forth.
yeah. Right.
They don't just run down. Oh, there we go. These things are strong. Little guy. Both. No, little guy. Get that fish off the bottom. That short rod doesn't bend much. That's a good fish. Good fish, dude. He's bleeding. Courtney, can you net this fish? Here, I got a net. Bring him over here.
Yeah, I was like, good fight. Yeah, here's that one drag.
Oh, there you're on the rock the whole time. There we go. Oh, that's a big one, dude.
There you go.
Oh, he just broke me off. Oh, she just got broke off too.
Are you serious?
That's a beast. Get him up. Get him up. Get him up. Get him up. That's a tank. That's a tank. Everybody, you got everybody's attention now. Luke's got a monster. Courtney, you see this? Get the net. That is a beast.
That's the keeper. Get the net. Holy shit.
So there's your 30. There's your 30. Good job, dude.
Oh, is this guy really stopping here?
Yeah, you got him all excited. It's only 20. It's only 27.
It's a keeper.
Yeah.
All right, babe, your turn.
Well, I need
That's
to
probably the
break my
ones that you
rocker.
broke off with.
Probably.
Yeah.
You got 80-pound leader on that?
Yeah.
They're putting out their trolling plugs. They're like, let's just do some circles around those guys. We're 15 foot of water and Luke just hooks a 28 incher. That's nope. Ten grouper in a row.
Have one in the box. Pictures taken.
We're not going to talk about that one.
It's all right. Well,
Alright. 10 grouper in a row. Second hits the bottom. I've never seen grouper fishing like this in shallow water.
Is that on the plug?
Oh, he's in the rocks.
Over here.
Well, you can't really control
I know.
Small.
Oh,
He's short.
good fish though. Still here.
Mm-hmm.
It's probably a 23.
He's short. Nice fish. You know, that's pretty damn close. He is big.
You want a picture, Justin?
They're all right at 23.9.
You want a picture?
23.9 fish. Big boy. This grouper put a whooping on you. That's another good one. They're all right at 24. That's a keeper.
That's a keeper.
There you go.
This one I get no in. Thank you.
That's a 25. You gotta let it sit still on the bottom.
Yeah, you gotta go with the boat too, because if it moves,
There's a
and kicks up
25.
fast,
Is that on the mackerel? It'll break. Be careful. Pull slow. Pull slow. Let him get out of that rock. Don't put a lot of heat on him.
he's out. He's out.
No, he's not. Dude, I said don't put a lot of heat on him. Get the net for him. There you go. Get him up.
Oh,
It's a
watch
beast.
that rod, Justin.
You're good. You're under it. I think. Oh, no. You do got it. Shit.
Oh. Oh. It's in a rock. Oh, ran into a rock.
Alright, be gentle with him.
Here, make the noise. It'll get him out of the rock.
He's in a rock. What are you thinking? What do you got, babe?
Wait for him to come out. He's out. He's out.
Oh, here he is.
He's out. Alright, slow down. He's out of the rock. Just be easy. Net him.
That's a keeper.
There you go. Good fish, Luke.
Work for that one. Thank you.
See?
You get that on video?
Is it blinking?
Yeah.
Cool. That's teamwork. That's a big fish. Get the net.
Oh, yeah. He's
That's a
coming
big
towards me.
Get him up. He's in the rock. Be careful. Be careful. You got him. You got him. That's a strong fish.
Technically, I'm
water.
catching
There you
all
go.
of the fish.
Nice. That's the new pole. It's the new pole. Good luck. You gotta go head first, not tail first.
Well,
They're still here.
he was caught
That's
on
nice.
the thing.
So I'm fishing a little bit back, right where the lid
Yeah.
helps.
So if you're gonna get
Another
technical
keeper.
here, technically I'm catching.
You go, that's another keeper.
I'm here.
Get the net, girl.
I'm right here.
Let's wearing them out. I'm over here playing with baby snapper. Oh, I got one. That's another keeper.
That's short.
I'm over here catching tiny fish.
That's a
That's a
keeper.
keeper snapper.
Dude, we're on a good spot right here, Justin.
We got another keeper gag. Close. Why do they only like Luke's pole?
That king neck.
Luke thinks he knows how to grouper fish. Decent. Yeah. Still a fun sized fish.
Oh, dude, that's incredible.
That's what you get for dropping a grunt down. Is it drag tight? There's your 10-foot spinner shark.
I don't want him to
Hang on.
spool me. How do I get him? He's gonna spool me. You want me to put the boat forward here, Dustin? Put the boat tighter? What do you think? Put the boat forward?
No, I want it to break. Yeah, he'll keep. Grouper bite slowed down. Gotta switch it up. What? The red grouper. I've never seen a red grouper in 15 foot of water. You're supposed to be out deeper. They're supposed to go out to the middle grounds in the winter. Lift! You better not catch my grouper.
There you go. Go, babe.
You catch my grouper, I swear.
Well, come get your pole.
It better be a keeper.
Oh, no.
What is it?
A grunt?
No.
Bingo. That little guy. Oh, it's a grouper, I bet. No, that's a huge snapper, dude. Get the net for this.